Hi, this is Srinivasan Ramanujam, founder and CEO of Career Mudra. So this is the first batch for the 5-day WhatsApp class. And from this class, we are going to see a marvelous and tremendous, uh, you say, the amazing transformation from where you are getting the leads and how you are getting the leads, and also uh, once you are getting the leads, how you can convert those leads into a prospects. Okay, so this is what we are going to see for these 5 days, and it's really important for any entrepreneur who can attend this workshop, or it's a kind of workshop. It is not we used to have a class. It's a it's a workshop. It is not a class. Okay, so we'll be going to see step by step process for these things. Okay, so I will share my screen, and you can see. I hope everyone is, you can. This is my thing. Yeah. So from this class onwards, we'll be seeing first and second, the most important aspect of how we can get lead. Okay, hope everyone, you can see my screen now. Yes. Okay, so this is the day one, the batch one of 5-day WhatsApp class, and welcome to this the 5-day WhatsApp class for batch one. Okay, this is Srinivasan Ramanujam again, and I'm the founder and CEO of Career Mudra. And I'm an entrepreneur, serial entrepreneur, found three companies, and for one company, I'm a co-founder for one of the US companies. Okay, so thank you so much for attending this 5-day workshop. So from the day one, so what you can learn, why digital marketing is a win-win-win model for selling online courses. Why we are, first of all, we are coming and selling our courses online. This is very important for anyone. Okay. And the only thing you need to know about marketing is who are you selling to? How will you tell them? What will we say? So first you need to know about your niche. That means what are you doing actually? So what is your business is all about? So this is very important for you to understand, to more about to attract the customers, because with your product you have to find out where are your customers located. First of all, you need to fix this. Where are your customers, and for your product, where are they located, within in your region, or you are going to find out some other region. Where are your customers are there. I mean, that group of people, whether they are more in online, and then even we need to find out those people are in groups where they reside, okay, where they are accessing. We need to have a research, and we need to have the research results within ourselves, and we need, so that we will go and attract the right people, right customer, right time, right place. Okay, then only you can attract more leads, more revenue, so that you can sell your product. It is very easy. So in this world, and in this digital world, anyone can become an entrepreneur. Seriously, I'm telling you, anyone can become an entrepreneur, but anyone cannot sell even a single product without having this kind of a research, the basic research. Okay, who are you selling to? Where are your? How will you tell them? that your existence, about your existence, how you are telling them, right? So it's very, very important. And how will you go about, and what are the mediums you are using? Okay, I just started my course in any kind of a domain. Like say, for instance, I just started my online food delivery system, uh, online food recipe courses. So you wanted to, tell your customers or audiences, saying that, hey, I just started my online courses on recipes, the latest recipes that you can, in this time period, you can just uh, make a lot of good recipes, very tasty recipes you can make at your home, on your own, right? This is very important. And you can how you can go and tell them, first of all, how the customer will rely on you, how your customers will find out you. So how the credibility you are building, you are going to build with your audiences. Those are very important aspect. So what will you say about your product? That's there, right? That's what I'm coming to. What will you say about your product? What will, I mean, so everyone is not, the man. What do you say? Don't have, enough, enough testimonials. I would say enough testimonials to, because just started. You just started about with your master skills. For instance, you guys, for recipe making, you are master. You test a lot of recipes, and you are going to sell online. And how are you going to sell? How are you going to make it happen? For that, you need to have a lot of, you need to build a credibility, right? So you need to build a trust. Yes, this person is doing something and it is very good. And then how do you, prove yourself? For that, you can use this kind of a medium like WhatsApp, Facebook, and you can give some ads. This is how the traditional, the thing is happening. But without using this kind of medium, only using WhatsApp, only using the few technology, I mean, few tools or applications, you can just try to sell your product. How? This is what this 5-day courses is all about. How you are making money, how you will be able to make money with, without any kind of, email generation or land, your landing pages, without any email marketing, without any technology, or without even, you need not to know about, all these social platforms, but still you can sell your product. Okay, this is all about, and we will see one by one, phase by phase. Okay, so you have to very, very, uh, with respect to your, who are you selling to, how will you tell them, and what will you say. You have to be very, very careful about all these things, and you have to find out, and you have to decide how to tell that, right? So how to create your WhatsApp class offer and write your million-rupee Facebook ad. This is very, very important in these days. So one, with only using Facebook and WhatsApp. So no need of landing pages, no need of, multiple colorful more designs, nothing, no need. But still you will be able to make million. How? Yes. So you have to build a brand new problem, or you have to create a problem so that customer will come or listen to you. This is very important. Customer will have to listen. For that, you need not go and tell, the traditional method of selling products or services will not, going to work out. This is very important thing. You have to tell the story kind of a thing. So you have to tell, you have to come back with a new problem. So what is the problem now? Right now I'm not very, too much techy, right? I can't create, I cannot create any landing pages with colorful images, with colorful flashy letters, more colorful designs. I can't do that, right? So what can I do? So without any landing pages, can I make any kind of a revenue? Can I make, my online courses to be sold out online? Yes, it is possible. So we need to create our story, by telling a new problem, because this is very very new to the customers, to the audiences. Without having all these kind of landing pages, email marketing, nothing, no need of tech skills. With zero costs, zero tech, you will still make money. Okay, so you have to tell your new status. So what is your new status is all about, right? You have to go and research. And the brand new technology, you are just telling to your customers through the technology. Still we are using the technology, but it's very very limited amount of tech skills. So I don't want to learn a skill and then I try to sell my course. No. So with my product or services, with very limited knowledge of uh, the social platforms, I will be able to sell my courses. Okay, so for that, you need to create a brand new problem and brand new status of your things, and brand new technology you need to use so that people will come back to you. Okay, right. So how to create your WhatsApp class offer? How people will consider how we can teach a WhatsApp class, how we can do, I mean, how we can make it more uh, interactive session within this WhatsApp group. So we will see uh, about how to do all those things. Your WhatsApp class is where you demonstrate your unique skilling proposition, your USP within WhatsApp message. So, I mean, through that message, you are telling to your customer saying that, yes, hey, I'm going to do a 5-day workshop and this is what it is. And your message has to have a lot of instances. What are those instances? That is very important. So what are the things I'm just communicating to my clients, right? So this is very, very important aspect everyone should know. I will just show you one uh, Google form. Yes. So this is called, because we already discussed about how we find out our niche. We are we have to be very very clear about our niche. That is our business. What we are going to do. What are our, I mean, what is our business niche? What is, what are our customers, our audiences we need to fix. And then the most important thing, we need to create some kind of a story around it. Okay, uh, by telling the stories, people will come to you to listen to your stories. Okay, so for that, what the basically you need, the IDA formula. What is, IDA formula? It's just nothing but, attention, interest, desire, and action. This is a short form of IDA. Okay, so this is a lead generation ad for a free event. Yeah, hi Jitendra.
Hello, sir. Good evening. Sorry, I was actually outside and I just saw your message a little
Hi,
late.
welcome to our 5-day workshop, and I just started, 20 minutes back, and
Okay, okay.
so I hope you are viewing my screen, right? So I think you are
Yes, yes.
in my screen. So without knowing any kind of without, because the current situation is, even this 5-day workshop, I just want to repeat for Jitendra. So this 5-day workshop is nothing but you can make your lead. I mean, you can generate lead using, you don't have to know about creating an email marketing. You don't have to create any colorful and the landing pages. You don't have to create anything else. You just need only two things as of now. So only the WhatsApp and your Facebook Facebook ad creation. That's it. And within this you can create you can create a credibility, because we just came to this online business, how you can sell your courses. Okay, so for this courses you need to know about the lead generation for ad, uh, how you have to follow the AIDA formula. See, basically people love stories. This is basic thing. How people, we just grown up like just listening stories with all the things, right? So we just listen stories and we have grown up like this, we have listened a lot of stories from our parents, grandpas, grandmas, and a lot of things happen. And we love to see even the movies, the magical movies, the magic happen, right? So once we see the visualization, the story makes us so many things in front of us, right? So the story makes remain to we are we are connecting with emotional things. So it is not just we are just telling just like the story. No, so we are connecting with emotions. So the same kind of approach we need to go with the customer. So you don't need and this comes by practice. If you already you have tried selling your course, I'm not sure how you would have tried before, but my usual the style of telling stories to the customers, because basically I'm a writer. You can go and see a lot of my stories on writersrinivasan.com. Maybe I will share the chat box. Okay, later, maybe at the end of the session. Actually, I am an entrepreneur, a 3-year-old entrepreneur. I've serial entrepreneur. I have founder. I'm the founder of a lot of the brands like Career Mudra, Mudra Software Services, and Mudra Academy, and so many things. Just running successfully. So I just attract the market by telling a lot of stories to the customers on the digital platforms, and it worked out well. And apart from the digital market, I have so much experience on the print platforms, and also the satellite platforms. And then after I came back to I came to digital platforms, I utilized all the things, so it is very, very powerful. So how can you use the AIDA formula to write or make a story? How will your customer will listen to you? This is very important. Okay, so you need to call out. Before that, maybe before you come back to this session, I was telling about, this is for Jitendra. So I was telling about, you have to be very, very sure about what is your business, your niche, and where are your customers located, or where are your customers located in the sense, uh, maybe because we have a lot of social media, and how many person you need to find out. In each social medium, a lot of people are there, right? How people are discussion happen with respect to your niche. Is that Facebook or Instagram or whatever it is? Right now we are discussing only on the Facebook. So according to that, you need to go and research something, and how they will listen. And then according to the niche, and you have to decide, start telling about your stories. This is basically done by, you have to go with the pain points. See, always the customers never listen about your skill. They don't want your professionalism, whether very, very you are very serial entrepreneur or biggest big shot. Nothing, they don't have to worry. They are not worrying at all. The customer never worry about your problem or nothing. They have to worry about themselves. They are very, very selfish. They're very selfish. This is true, because I have seen a lot of things. Because within a year, I've started 3 branches in 3 locations in Tamil Nadu. Okay, because I know the pain points of the customers, because we always see about the other end of it. Because I'm sitting over here, and I never think of in this place. I have to think of the opposite place. In the customer's point of view, how they think. If I say something, they have to listen to me. This is very important. Without making them listen, I can't sell even a single even a penny. I can't do that. So for that, you need to have the habit of telling stories to the customers, because they always used to listen about uh, because people are greedy always. Okay, so whenever the people just walk into you or asking question, you have to showcase that yes, you can make money, right? Or whatever, it depends on your niche. You can make money, you can do all the things, you can do very well on your career. And for that, you have to tell with the data. This is important. So this, for that, this formula is very, very important, and I will share this template to you after this session. Okay, so this is the template. Please try to daily, I mean, you used to have this practice of writing this, using this template. So this template is really, really have lot of things in place. And also I will give a lot of real time scenarios, and I will share it with the one, I mean, face by face. Okay, so as of now, we need to make attention of the customers. So you need to call out like their entrepreneur. So you are just entrepreneur or student or whoever you are attracting. Who is your audiences, right? Audiences, just address them. Okay, and then call out your specific audience. That's what in bracket I have specified. So ever woke up without clarity on growing your business this year? I mean, this is the fear. That too, in this time period, in this COVID situation, this is very, very untold pain, because nobody is willing to tell these kind of things to, I mean, this is especially is happening. This is happening for a lot of entrepreneurs, small entrepreneurs, right? Small scale industry owners, like the coaches, life coaches. So everyone is seeking something, how to attract customers, how to, because we have lost everything. Because they would have gotten some physical offices, they would not know about how to go about and how to create lead generation, how to make a conversion. This is a very, very critical problem as of now. So you are just addressing with ever woke up without clarity on growing your business this year. This is the kind of fear you are creating. Okay, this is the fear. You found out their fear and you are just telling them in a sentence, and then they got an interest with your thing, with your story. And then I have some good news for you. So you are just making them a new transition. Okay, and then after working with more whatever the numbers you are having, maybe students, or with respect to your niche. That's what I was referring to. So from here, because I basically, I have 18 years of IT industrial, IT experience, and then I have 3 years of entrepreneurial experience. In my experience, I have seen so many entrepreneurs. I have worked with so many students. I have transformed so many lives in my. Even you can go and see my Facebook profile. I have last 6 months or 1 year, I have strongly I've gone to colleges, I've given a lot of public speeches about career transformation, a lot of things. And even for 50 plus entrepreneurs I worked with directly, and those entrepreneurs, they came up well during those, they worked with me, along with me, because during this period I was also grown, because I have also opened up 3 branches in 3 locations within a short span of time, because it worked out well. So you have to tell, we have to engage with emotionally with your customer. So what, after working with more than 1,000 entrepreneurs, the stories of untold pains into the unexpected gain, you are telling them that story. Through that, they are expecting something, that is the unexpected gain. It in terms of money or whatever it is. That's what we are slowly telling in this story. I have found out that all they need is a life plan for their next 100 days, instead of 10 years or 365 days. A unique concept. You need to come up with a unique concept. Like within 5 days, you will learn how to launch your course only with WhatsApp and Facebook. That's it. Very simple. You don't need to go and give a big ad. You don't want to spend the Facebook ads that much, and simply making the story, and you can attract your customer. It is because I have proven things, and within just the stories, I got 20 plus registrations within just even I have shown all those. I have shared with you. I will share very soon those templates. What is the template and how it will happen, right? So I have found out that all they need is a life plan for their next 100 days. So I'm just telling them that the unique concept with the unexpected gain. So the untold pain to unexpected gain. They are just transform. They are going to transform because I'm just touching with their pain or fear to the good transformation. So the transformation will have to happen. So how it will happen? I invite you to my free 4-hour workshop where we will together create a life plan for you and your business for the next 100 days. It's a kind of a contrast, or through that statement, we are creating some kind of a gain, and that too unexpected gain for your customer. The workshop is based on the success of my students, like who was able to some kind of a name. You can, and it has to be real. So some of you are is very new to the entrepreneurial skill, but some of you, as I told, maybe you have interacted with so many students, or in your careers you have met with so many entrepreneurs. You can just say those kind of things, those kind of, and you can relate those kind of stories. Who was made, he was able to take his business from 100 leads to 500 leads per month within 100 days. This is a story. You can stories of untold pains into unexpected gains. This template is very uh, uh, and lot of people they've used, and they've just grown up with this template. And one more story. So that is the story, one guy's stories. And then the other guy's story is the one who was able to create new revenue streams and double their revenue within 100 days. So here's what you are going to learn. We have to give some bullet points. How to get more done in 100 days than others do in 365 days. How to actually implement your 100-day life plan without going off track. How to create the nuclear effect in your business by focusing on 6 key areas of business: sales, marketing, operations, team building, finance, mindset, and much more. This is the kind of an attention. After the attention, you are creating some interest through stories, and then you are creating some desire. They have to come to your place. The 100-day life plan for entrepreneurs, kind of an image. You can go through this, and then the free workshop, whatever the offer you are going to give, you need to tell, and then create your life plan for the next 100 days. And then they need to take some kind of an action. This is very important. You need not go waste. Your story need not go waste. It is value. I mean, the action plan is valued at 4,999, but free for a limited time. Only 100 spots available on a first come first serve basis. Reserve your spot now by clicking sign. So this is a irresistible offer. So this is very important in any kind of an ad, through, because that is the action plan. That is the action. Through desire, the user or customer, they have to they have to believe on you. So they have to come with this irresistible offer. You have to give this offer, the value addition. So come back to our presentation. Okay, I think you are viewing my screen.
Yes.
So your WhatsApp class is where you demonstrate your unique, the USP, the unique skilling proposition. Okay, and then the ask domains of learning. So what is that ask domain? Attitude, skills, knowledge. So how is your, I mean, just, we have to do some kind of research online, or wherever, with your phone or smartphone, you just scroll up or down, suddenly, one ad is coming. How is your reaction? If the ad, I mean, based on the ad, are you directly going and clicking for that ad? No, we never do that. So based on the action, based on the attitude, based on the title, based on maybe, with respect to our mood, but there are a lot of things, it happens. So we need to, I mean, those things, whatever we are taking the decision, it just, it has to be in ask mode. That is, attitude of the, yourself. How is your attitude in front of the public domain? What is your skill is all about? Have you proved yourself? And what is your knowledge? These are the three things is very, very important when it comes to, then only, you can tell stories to your customers, right? So only one story is not enough to tell, come back, come to your, the classroom or whatever it is, even virtual classrooms, right? So you have to keep on tell stories to your customer based on the ida formula. I mean, ida formula is very, very basic and fundamental. By using and practicing this ida formula, you definitely, you will get more customers than what you are now. This is what, this the 5 day we are going to see about, and we need to go and test it about. And without any kind of, go to the Facebook ads manager, nothing, no need to worry about all those things. With simply simple Facebook ad, by using WhatsApp link, that's it. So you will be getting your customers, how it is. So using this ida formula, we are creating, and we are going to create some kind of attitude, skills, and knowledge, and we are using. So what is that attitude? Change the way in which people see the specific problem you solve. See, people never worry about, what is your knowledge, what, or who are you, and what is your experience, and how wealthy you are. Nothing. People are worrying about, are you going to solve my problem? This is the first and foremost question every people, every customer will ask first. That is what that attitude we need to develop, because we have to be there online solving their problem. So it's not like, we are showcasing our skills, nothing. It's just not like showcasing our physics, nothing. We have to solve the problem. Very simple. This is what your customer is expecting. So we have to think about, I mean, this kind of attitude we have to draw, or we have to improve this kind of attitude. We have to solve the problem. Then only customer or client will come to you. It is very as simple as that. And then the knowledge, the information filtered through your experiences. That's what I was telling a few minutes back. With your experiences, with your work experiences, or with your cultural experiences, or whatever, with your knowledge experiences, you have to share, or you have to filter, and then it has to go in a different manner, which your customer has to like you. Okay, so it is very, very important, and it's very, very authentic. It should be very authentic, because it's just going from your mouth, and you are telling to your customers, saying that this is all the things. Because right now I'm telling you, right now I'm telling you, I have in 2017 I started my entrepreneurial journey. Within 3 years I have three branch, right? So there are so many things happened, and so many things, still, going on. And within 3 years I have started my office in the US itself, and one of the companies in the US. And I have proven something, and in training is my passion. And even I'm a developer, I'm a software developer, and I'm giving services on the softwares. And there are so many things are going on, right? I have proven things in place, and I can showcase you. I have many students in my list. Even, in digital marketing, there are so many entrepreneurs came to me, and now they have grown up like anything, and I have all the data. So you have to create all those things in your, you have to give the experience. You have to give your experience, a transformation for your customers. It's very, very, again, we need to think in those lines. And about your skill, the practice required to convert attitude, knowledge, and install the skill inside them. Okay. So whatever your attitude is, whatever your knowledge is, what you have to install the same thing to your customer. Okay, you have to give all the things through how you are creating, how you are thinking, how the marketing skills you are, how the storytelling skills you are, how you developed your entity, how you developed, you came from, where you came from. Are you telling in the nice manner? Are you convert, transforming whoever is coming to you? Are you doing that? So you have to ask these kind of questions. And then your prospects want support in attitude and getting skilled. Okay, this is the support they want. They don't need, see, even you know all the things, because this is the way uh, the digital world is working. About digital marketing, about Facebook ads marketing, everybody knows that. Then why we keep on learning some new things? The same kind of a question we'll have in the opposite sides too. Even I know, I have to learn lot of things. Still I have to learn lot of things. Still I'm learning it. Then only I can transform somebody else. So those kind of skills we need to develop, right? So your job is to be a part of their practice and help them get their skill faster. If you are a good master, I mean, you are a good teacher, a good trainer, you are a mentor, then you have to cultivate those culture into your customer. Basically, you have to solve their problem in such a way that they have to transform like you. Very simple. Okay, so this is what it is. Tomorrow we'll be going to see about lot of aspects, and then meanwhile I will be sending, keep checking your email. I will be sending you all the links, the practice link. Tomorrow is very, very important class, because we have to practice how we can set up the WhatsApp class, because we are going to launch Wednesday. You are going to launch the first WhatsApp class offer with, using the offer for your courses, and then we'll be going for the next phase on Thursday and Friday. Okay, so I will just let give all the couple of materials, and then with that couple of materials we will be completely discussing about those things tomorrow, with proven ad ad copies. So we used to say that ad copies, we have to see that ad copies. Okay, so without that you have to practice one thing about how to tell the stories, what I have told you, like you have to touch base on the untold pain of a customer, and then they have to convert from the untold pain into a unexpected gain. How this transformation is happening through 3-step stories, and then these 3-step stories they have to take an action with using IDA formula. This is very, very simple. Don't confuse any kind of the other aspects of it, because in digital marketing there are so many things happening. Okay, because I have seen a lot. Even I am not too much techy when it comes to creating landing page, creating email marketing, because those things will take some time. But those are all things valuable. But still, you will make a lot of money on making this very simple kind of things. And after this 5 days, maybe I will just giving you an offer for joining for the master course, how to create an effective Facebook ad, even without using too many technologies, too many landing pages, nothing. So we can, that is the price of a different price. Uh, I will let you know on Wednesday or Thursday, so that you can join on the next course of action. Okay, so before that, you can just email me or message me about your business niche. Okay, what is your business, so that we will discuss more about on those lines, and then we will tomorrow is, because today is just I made it as a very introductory session, because within introductory session, AIDA is the basic thing, AIDA. You have to make the attention of your customers, and then you have to make interest, interest on your ad, and then they have to make a desire, and then you have to make them action taker. Okay, this is very important. So everyone, whatever the ad you are seeing on Facebook, just see from here onwards, within this space, AIDA formula, that is the formula they are using. Just to see that.
So this can be applied in any.
Send it to you in this message itself, or I will send to you through. I will share it through your mail. Okay. Thank you so much for joining, and we will see you tomorrow.
So this can be
6 p.m. tomorrow evening. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.